Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I am great. I wanted to ask you about your daily routine. What do you every day?
Well, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. and then I take a shower. After that, I have breakfast at 7:15 a.m. I also go to school at 8 a.m. But I don't watch TV in the morning and I don't play video games during the week. What about you? What do you do?
Nice. I wake up 7 in and have my in the chicken. Then I study online from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. In the afternoon, I do my homework and sometimes I would for at work, but I don't cook lunch and eat don't stay and not during the day. At what time do you homework?
I usually do my homework at 4 p.m. after school. And you, what time do you go for hours?
I work for hour around 5:30 p.m. before dinner. Do you work out in the afternoon?
Not really. I stay home and rest or listen to music.
Cool. So we have something income and some differently.
Yes, that's true. It was nice talking about our routines.
Then in see you later.